Economics. Diretso ba? Diretso ba? I am delighted to present to you the best bet for the School of Economics College President. Pioneered the Christmas Hero gift drive and the Student Services Chair of the University Student Government. A consistent Dean's Lister who graduated top 3% in her batch and a full scholar. Your incumbent batch president for Excel 2013 and the very embodiment of genuine service in SOE. Ang magbabalik ng liwanag sa School of Economics, your college president, Tracy Theodoro.
School of Economics was established, and since then, the school never failed to do anything else but the best professors, the best curriculum, the best role models, and the best opportunities for academic achievement. 3 years since I entered this university, and 3 years since I decided to become a student leader for the student body. School of Economics. It is time that we pay it forward to the school. It is time that we will be working with you towards holistic Lasallian economists, igniting sustainable positive influence. It is time for us to pay it forward by developing and enhancing your student life as economists with our executive board, with our USG President Robert Hachanova. Here to serve you as your college president. The decision for that took so long, but trust in me that I have thought about it well, and the answer was always a yes to leading this amazing school. I am making a point for everybody to find home in this college because I have found it here, and this is why I am running as your college president. School of Economics. We're setting a team for the School of Economics. Ang puso namin ay nasa kolehiyong ito. Mahal na mahal namin ang kolehiyong ito.